This is how we can fix the rough idle of a Chevy Malibu by cleaning the throttle body. So I will show you how to do that in the following video. The connector is removed. Now I'm going to remove the throttle body. So you have to unscrew this clamp, this and this. Take the plastic thing off. So you have 1, 2, 3 and 4 nuts. So you can take the whole throttle body out. Okay, I took my plastic case off for the air in. My throttle body is not that bad. Still I thought, okay, let's clean it because I started it. So I'm gonna take it out, so probably I can clean this carbon deposit. Yeah, it's not that bad. I took it out. When you play with this, make sure you're playing with a very sensitive part, so please be careful. Don't drop any screws. I want to drop one. So cover it with something like a plastic so you don't drop anything in between. Dry cleaner for this, you can probably use a throttle body cleaner. That's more effective. I want to spend more money for this, that's why I'm doing this, but yeah, it's worth the cost. Just spray it and clean with the brush. Look, my throttle body is better. I don't say it's new, but it's better than what it was. So I'm going to install it back. Make sure you know where you have to do this. Place it. Okay, here's one screw. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. It's done. Time before you change your throttle body, just try to do this. Snap it back, pull it in, make sure it's good. Take the plastic piece, assemble it back. Good. Snap it. Now plug this in. It's a bit hard, but you can. Yeah, it's good. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Please share, like and support, and forward your friends if you think this video is helping you for something. Thank you.